You see this?
Mhm.
I think pie drove me to drinking. Pie. I think pie drove me to drinking.
Explain.
Not an apple pie, not a cherry pie, but a math pie.
Oh, okay.
You know what a math pie is?
Yes.
You do. Most people don't. Or most people can't understand it, even if they understand it.
Right.
So you say you know what a math pie is.
I know what it is, but I don't know. But I do not understand it.
So a math pie is the equivalent of 3.14. It's 3.14 or 3.12. It's one of them. I think it's 3.14.
Okay.
That is a math pie. Not an apple pie, not a cherry pie, not a berry pie, but a math pie is 3.14 if you ask no algebra. If you also know a little bit about algebra, took the class, but failed the class, but you know about pi, which is 3.14. Also, how do you add in A?
How do you add an A?
How do you add a fucking A in algebra? A equals, no it don't. We can stop right there. Because 1 equals, but A don't equal shit because you can't add a damn A. AY minus 2x equals, huh? That's what it equals. Huh?
Yeah.
Because when we was growing up, they started us off with what? 0 plus 1 equals what?
0 plus 1 equals 1.
Equals 1, right?
Yes.
Then as we got older, they started telling us 10 plus another 10
It's 20.
is 20, right? Then as we got older, they said 10 times 10 equals what?
100.
100, right? So they figured you're so fucking smart that we're going to add on not other numbers, but letters. Let's see how smart you are now, Mr. Smarty Pants, Mr. I got all A's, Mr. Think you know it all. Let's put an alphabet. No. First of all, let's put a pi into a math equation and see if you can figure that out. What is the purpose of putting a pi into a math equation? We just want to fuck with people's heads. That's all. No particular reason. We could have just put 3.14 times equals, nope. We're going to say an apple pie equals 3.14. A fucking pie. Forget just putting 3.14. Forget that. That is too much effort in the math equation. We're going to put a p that equals pi that equals 3.14 that equals y times a 5.
Yeah.
Do you know what that y times 5 is?
No.
Then you got, I'm going to tell you what it is. Then you got P, which is pi, which is 3.14 times Y with a 5 up there. Now that 5 is 5 times its number,
Oh.
which is 25.
Mm-hmm.
So, fuck just putting 3.14 times 25. Forget doing that.
Yeah.
We're going to say P times Y with a 5 up there, which is 25. Now figure that shit out. And don't forget your damn parentheses, or you fail. We want to see how smart you are since you've been passed in first grade, second grade, fifth grade, ninth grade. Once your ass got to that ninth grade, they were like, no, that's too much. Let's figure something out for these people to fail. Let's put an apple pie in there. Let's put some letters off in there. Let's make them letters mean numbers that ain't that exact number, that you have to multiply that number to get the number that they want to put there. They just didn't put that number there. They put extra shit in there for you to figure out that number. Y with a 2 up there equals what?
4.
Because you double that number.
Number, yeah. Okay.
Why not just put fucking 4? Or am I the smartest motherfucker on this planet?
Yeah.
Why put in an apple pie? Because you know we kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we take math, then we get hungry. And people can't study or learn why they hungry. But you, my teacher, you just made me hungry.
Yeah.
Now I'm ready for lunch.
Yeah.
I'm ready for lunch again.
Mm-hmm.
But I got to learn this while I'm craving
Pie.
a pie. But you know what they ask? Why are you craving a pie? See, they got the P and the Y.
Pie. Yeah.
Pie, why are you doing this to me?
Yeah.
They use psychology even in math, and y'all don't see how they effing y'all kids up. No, they effed us up.
Yeah.
Because every time I seen pi, I was like, okay, 3.14. I got that, but I don't really get that. I got that pi equals 3.14, but I don't get why you just didn't put 3.1 friggin' 4. I don't get that. I got that y with the 5 up there equals 25, but I don't get why you put the y even in the damn equation when you could have just put 25.
Mm-hmm.
I don't get that. Then they want to add on equals minus 4.
Mm-hmm.
No, it don't. You can't pi me, you can't y me, and then subtract what I just added and say that's the answer. You can't do that to me and expect me to grow up and be a productive citizen. You messed up my head. I think everybody who took algebra ought to be able to sue for mental distress, because that's what you did. You could have made it easy and just put 3.14, but you fucked my head up with a cake. Then I got to ask the question, why? But the answer you gave me was a negative 4. And I'm supposed to be thinking positive. Oh, shit. Oh. Now I'm supposed to be thinking positive. It ain't nothing but negativity coming out the damn math questions. Then you gonna give me 20 of them? Now I'm really screwed. I finally figured out the first one that you put on the board, and I just had to copy or duplicate.
Yeah.
Feel good. I got one right because you helped me. Then you say, close your books. Let's take a test, which means there is no help on your P, which is pi, and your Y, which is why, and your negativity answer. I'm screwed. I got 19 more answers to get wrong. I got one right. It's 20 questions. I got 19 more answers to get wrong. Because I still don't understand it. I get the concept, but I don't understand the concept that I got, that you gave me, didn't quit helping me. Now I feel like a fool and a failure. And I gotta go home to my mama and my daddy. For some people. Some daddies are around, fuck it. Some dad, yeah, my mama and my daddy, whatever. And tell them about I flunked a apple pie test and a Y test.
Mm-hmm.
Well, how did you flunk it? Let me show you. Then your mama look at it. P, Y, X equals, what's all these alphabets? Right. Thank you, mama. Now I don't get a spanking because my mama don't even understand it. Go show your daddy. P. Fuck is a P? What the fuck they getting at and damn? It's supposed to be math. This math? Don't this supposed to be math?
Yeah.
Where did P come from? Yeah, P equals 3.14. Why the fuck they just didn't put 3.14 down there? What the fuck wrong with them?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Why the fuck we gotta do this shit? What the hell? They didn't do this shit back in my days. You ain't had no damn P's and Y's and alphabet. They got some Z's in this mother. Boy, what school you go to now? I gotta do this regular school. Then, oh boy, no, we gotta change schools. They do this in every school? Yeah. Oh hell, shit. I don't know what to tell you. You got a P, you got a Y, and you got an X. That shit, that sound like my girls. My ex-girl, yeah. I can understand the mixes. I got a bunch of the mixes. And put about 4 or 5 of the mixes down here. Yeah, I get that answer right there on the mixes. But the P, that stands for something you don't know nothing about yet, boy. You don't know nothing about them P's. And when your baby comes, that's when you get the Y.
That's when you get the Y.
So I got the P and the Y and the X down. I got it, but I don't think you ready for this. I think you're too young to be learning this shit. So you just tell them that you too young to be learning this. You talk to your mama yet? Yeah. She said you gonna be an X. What the fuck? I'm gonna be an X. I'm gonna kick your mama ass. Boy, I'm gonna kick your mama ass. You both gonna be 2 X's. Put down 2 X's. Maybe that's the answer. Put down 2 X's. It's me and your mama gonna get a damn divorce if you gotta do this shit, because you gonna grow up not knowing shit. This is math nowadays.
That's true.
This math. I'm glad I ain't grow up when you was growing up, boy. I'm glad I made it, shit. I'm good. I don't know what to tell you. You talking to your teacher? She know about this? Do your teacher know about this shit? They put alphabets in math classes. When they start this shit, boy, I don't know what to tell you. That's how I go. Math, just to confuse you.
Right.
Just to make you feel less than. They put some bull crap in it that ain't supposed to be in it. I'm just saying, maybe I'm wrong, which I'm not. That's stupid. I just broke it down to you. Now you know. Matter of fact, you actually know I know algebra. That's what you know now. Y'all actually know I know algebra. Sorry. Or you actually know I know more than you. Or you actually know that you're intelligent also because you understood it. Or you're dumbfounded and confused and trying to act like you understand it, but you really don't. But the person beside you can read you and know. You don't even know what the fuck you talking about, do you? What's why? As soon as they say that, man, turn that off. Well, I'll turn it off. I understand. A lot of people don't understand what I'm talking about. So it might be a little over your head, but for the people that do understand, y'all get it. Fuck is pie. It's what my grandma used to make when I came out there. It's what the fucking pie is.